Hello, everybody. Once again, I am here with you for the next point of the solid state physics paper number 13A. Myself again, Dr. S.D. Chavan, Department of Physics, Adarsh College, Hingoli. In previous session, we have seen what exactly the simple crystal structures are to be there, and the two types are to be there. That is, types are there. That is, close packed structure and loose packed structures are there. In previous session, we have seen what is exactly closed pack structure and how it works as far as the layers are going to be concerned. What exactly meaning to be the closed pack structure and how it is having the packing fraction and all the things are to be there. Now today we will see what exactly meaning to be as an your loose pack structures are to be there. Now, in this case, again, as yesterday we have seen number of related things. In the same way, here in this loose pack structure, as compared to your close pack structure, the whatever be the number of atoms are going to be there less than the 12 is going to be in that case. Then in that case, the whatever be the structure is going to be formed. It is nothing but to be called your loose packed structure is to be there. As far as the close pack structure, it is 12 and greater than 12 atoms are there. And here in this case, it is very simple to understand what exactly the loose pack structure is to be there. And in this case, when the atoms are less than the 12 atoms in the your unit cell, in that case, the whatever be the structure is going to be formed, it is called nothing but to be your loose pack structure is to be there. As far as the coordination number of each item is going to be the no doubt less than the 12, that means the one atom is surrounded by the less than the 12 atoms is to be there. As far as the packing fraction for the closed packed structure is to be there, it is nearly 0.74 is to be there, and for the loose packed structure it is less than this 0.7 4 whatever the close packed structure is to be there. Now today we will see what is exactly to be this loose packed structure is to be there, and in which what is exactly BCC, that is body centered cubic structure is to be there. And the second part, which is to be as a simple cubic structure, is the part where the it comes under the your loose packed structures are to be there. Now coming to the first point, that is to be your body centered cubic structure. It is very simply the name itself suggests or simply gives us idea about what exactly meaning to be as an body centered cubic structure is to be there. If you look at this case, as far as the unit cell is to be there in this diagram, as whatever be the atoms are there, no doubt which are or the unit cell is made up of which are having the less than the 12 atoms are to be there. And if you look at the atoms are to be there, here is the atom, one atom, here is one atom, here is at the corners you will find like this, all atoms are exactly on the corners, but there is one another atom which is exactly at the center of the body is to be there. And that comes the difference. As far as we are also aware about that, in the previous sessions we have already learned about the unit cells are to be there, in which we have seen in detail what is mean by to be as a primitive unit cell and the non-primitive unit cell is to be there. And as far as the such type of the your body centered cubic structure is to be there, it comes under nearly to be as a non-primitive structure is to be there, because the atoms are not exactly on the corners but inside the body is to be there. And that is somehow it is to be as an called to be or the part of your this BCC is nothing but to be such type of the unit which is to be as a non-primitive unit cell is to be there. And in this case, no doubt one atom is surrounded by the eight atoms are to be there, and that's why it is to be representation coordination number is to be the eight one is to be there. Now how it looks like to be there, that is quite interesting is to be there. So if you look at this whatever the structure I have in my hand, if you look at this case where the four atoms are to be likewise one two three four, front side is to be there, and back side it is also to be in the same fashion it is to be there. That means these are to be the 4 points when I am talking four atoms, one, two, three, four. It is how it is shown here, one, two, three, four atoms. Inside that center of the body there is one atom, and the at the bottom these four atoms are to be there. It is just like a structure like this. In actually, in appearance, the whatever be the unit cell will looks like this. That is to be the atom is exactly at the center is to be there, and the four atoms are at eight atoms are exactly on the corners, but one additional atom is exactly at the center of the body, and that's why its name comes to be body center cubic structure. That means one atom is there at the exactly center of the body, and that's why it is called to be as an body center cubic structure is to be there. No doubt atom to atom distances or atomic distances it is to be there. The length of the H is to be shown with the A, and the R is nothing but to be the atomic radius, and in this case the relation in between the A and the R is nothing but to be 4R is equal to under root of 3A is to be there. This is what the atomic structure, atomic layers are having, sorry, the atoms are to be adjacent to each other, how they are far from each other, that is explained with this relation. And no doubt as far as the effective number part is to be there, in this case if you are aware about that, the eight atoms are to be distributed in 1 by 8, that is to be the that will give you the one unit, sorry, one effective number. But in addition to that there is one another atom which is exactly at the center of the body, and that's why it is giving you nothing but to be 8 into 1 by 8, that is divided, distributed 8 atoms are to be at the corners, and that's why it is to be 8 into 1 by 8, and plus 1 which is to be exactly at the center, and that's why the effective number for the body center cubic it will become to be as in 2 is to be there, 1 plus 1, 2 is to be there. So this is how this exactly the body centered cubic structure is to be there, or in short it is also called to be as in BCC is to be there. Now as far as the packing fraction and all the parts are to be there, already we have seen in the yesterday's session also how the closed pack structures are there, and how these are having the packing fractions, and what exactly meaning to be a packing fraction. As far as in the unit cell how many atoms are you are using, the volume of all that atoms are to be there divided by the whatever be the total volume of that unit cell is to be there, and that is somehow having the ratio of that two things are to be there. So it is nothing but to be a ratio of the volume occupied by the atoms to the total volume occupied by that atoms, by the unit cell is to be there. And this is how this ratio in as far as the body center cubic structure is to be there. If you calculate, it will be having nearly 0.68 when you are going to be calculating. This is how the packing fraction represented by the F, and the value is to be 0.68. Now if you look at carefully this 0.68, which is exactly lesser than the your whatever be the close packed structures packing fraction is to be there, and that is how the difference is. As far as the loose packed structure, it is very easy to understand which are the unit cells or the particularly structures are called to be as an loose packed structure. Those are having the packing fraction less than the 0.74 is to be there, and this 0.68 is to be lesser than this your 0.74, and that's why this type of the structure, crystal structure, comes under the your loose packed structures. As far as the examples are to be there, in simple way, Na, potassium, and all these basically known to be as an examples for the your called to be a BCC structures are to be shown, or basically the important factor is to be there, the whatever be the atoms inside this your basically structure containing less than the 12 atoms, and the whatever be the packing fraction is going to be there, and that is how this case to understand what exactly the difference as far as the close packed structure is to be there and loose packed structure is to be there. Now again moving forward, if you look at the another part, which is to be again the one another simple structure is to be there, which is to be shown in this fashion. And this is very, again, name itself, it is also to be as a you are showing you the how it is to be a very simple cubic structure is to be there. No doubt, if you look at this structure, it is having the four atoms exactly at the corners, and these sorry, 8 atoms are exactly on the corners if you look at this case. And it is just like looks like to be as in this case where it is to be as in four atoms. Again, if you look at in all way how it is in all views, it looks like to be like this. So these are the upper four atoms and these are the bottom four atoms, and how this crystal structure is looks like to be like this. So this is what exactly all the atoms are exactly on the corners, and such type of the unit cell are having the effective number that is to be 1 is to be there. That is also here you have calculated the values for the effective number. As far as the coordination number is to be there, the it is becoming to be as n6, and the length of the edge is supposed to be a, and in this case the atomic distance and the radius of the atom is to be related with, in this case, are nothing but to be a is equal to 2r is to be there. That means they are as connected to each other. The whatever be the radius for this atom is to be r, whatever be the radius for this atom is to be r. That's why r plus r, 2r is to be there, and that's why the atomic distance in between the two atoms is nothing but to be 2r is to be there. So this is how this simple cubic structure is to be there. And again, the packing fraction for the simple cubic structure is also it is to be represented with SC, that is simple cubic, and BCC, body center cubic, BCC is to be there. Now packing fraction as far as calculation part is to be there. If you calculate this, the value will be coming, if value is going to be calculated, it is having the 0.52, that is nothing but to be lesser than the 0.74, and that's why the such type of the simple cubic structure comes under the loose packed structures are to be there. As far as polonium is the example for the your simple cubic structures are to be there. In simple cubic structure, simply all the atoms are exactly on the corners. But as far as the body center cubic structure is to be there, the atoms are not exactly on the corners but inside the body is to be there. As far as the face center cubic yesterday what you have seen, that is also the part where this it looks like to be where these atoms are there. In this case only the face center cubic will be for each face. That means if you surfaces, there are 6 surfaces for this cube. So the for the FCC it is nothing but to be here one atom will be there, again here will be there, here will be there, here will be there, here will be there, and inside yeah this side is to be there. So all it will contains the at the surface center, that's why face center. This is the face for this side, and at the center there is one atom. That's why it is called as a face center cubic, FCC. But for the, all the surfaces it is having the similar fashion. So this is how this your FCC is to be there, BCC is to be there, and SC is to be there. So this is how the loose pack structures are to be there. Simple way to understand what is here the what type of the packing is to be there. Just to find out the what is the packing fraction, and if it is lesser than 0.74, then it is loose packed structure is to be there. When it is greater than the or the nearly exactly 0.74, then it is close packed structure is to be there. And as far as the whatever be the atoms are to be there which is to be containing in the one unit cell, 12 or greater than 12, that is to be close packed structure is to be there. And if it is lesser than the 12 atoms are to be there, it is to be comes under the your part, that is loose packed structures are to be there. So it is very simple to understand. If you for the SC simple cubic structure, if you calculate these all atoms, there are 8 atoms are to be there. As far as the your that's why it is comes under the loose packed structure. This is one unit set for the SC. Now again for the BCC, if you look at calculate the values, and that means to be as in this is 1 2 3 4 and 4 8 and plus 1 at the center, that is 9 is to be there. And in this case, this also the BCC also comes under the loose packed structures are to be there, because the atoms are lesser than the whatever be the total unit cell containing. Now as far as if I am going to calculate for the your face center cubic, no doubt these are the 8 and the 6 surfaces are there. That means for the each surface at the center there is one atom is to be there. So if you calculate these surfaces are 6, that means the 6 atoms are going to be increased. 8 plus 6, that is becoming to be as an 14, and 14 is greater than 12. That's why the FCC comes under the your closed packed structure is to be there. So this is what exactly the variation and how it is to be related with the each other, that is differences are to be there as far as PCC, FCC and SC is to be there. And also SCP is also we have seen in detail yesterday's session. So moving forward, one another simple structure which is very well known, and which is also comes under the one another branch, or which is to be the known crystal structures are to be there, and that is the your diamond is to be there. So diamond itself containing all that atoms are to be with the carbon. No doubt the base is also with the added with the carbon also, and that's why this total diamond is made up of with the carbon atoms are to be there. So now in this case exactly what type of the structure is going to be there, differences are there as far as the your diamond structure is to be there. In this case the cubic plus hexagonal, cubic plus hexagonal, as we have seen in a simple way how the cubic structure is to be there like this, and the hexagonal in previous session, yesterday session, we have seen in detail how these layers are going to be there as far as the HCP is to be there, AB layers are going to be arranged, and as far as the FCC is going to be there, ABC layers are going to be arranged in that fashion or in that pattern, the pattern or the symmetry is to be likewise that. So as far as the diamond structure is to be there, this branch is also going to be increased because of all the carbon atoms are to be there, and how they are going to be variation in their structure or the arrangement is to be there, that gives a number of additional structures are to be there. And due to that expansion of the such type of the structure, the separate structure is, it is also given name, that is the DC, that is diamond cubic structure is to be there, and that's why it is somehow also called to be as an DC is also to be there. That's why it is sometimes written to be as an DC, or the diamond cubic structure is to be there. As far as the diamond cubic structure is made up of the two mixtures, as far as the FCC and the uh, another that is to be face center cubic plus the two bases are going to be added. As we are aware about that, the whatever be the basis plus the your lattice is nothing but gives you the crystal structure is to be there, and here the FCC, that is face center cubic structure, is going to be there. Now if you look at this diagram carefully, here are the atoms exactly on the 1 2 3 4, these are 4 on the exactly on the corners. But as it is FCC, each face, that is this upper surface, it is having at the center, this is to be there, it is again having at the center. For the bottom, it is center at the right side, it is center at the left side, and the front side is this one, and the back side is this one. So in this fashion, these particular atoms, that is FCC, this is what the structure of the FCC. And as I already told you, this is the additionally when the this is the lattice is to be there, or the FCC structure is to be there, which is going to be added with the basis of the two carbon atoms. And when this FCC plus 2 basis contains of two carbon atoms, now these two carbon atom, one is exactly lie on the origin, and that is somehow it is shown here with the case, that is one first atom is at the lattice point is to be there, and the second atom is going to be lying at the diagonal. That is what the diagonal part is to be there. This is what the case where it is to be as an diagonal part is to be there. This is how the this diagonal part is to be there, or this is how this part is said to be as, and this diagonal is to be there, or these diagonals are to be there. So these all the diagonal parts are to be there, and second part or the second atom is at a distance of 1 4. That means the total length from this to this, suppose this to this is supposed to be the one complete value is to be 1 unit. If we can say the half of the part is nothing but to be 1 by 2, and again half of that is to be quarter 1 4. So that is how it is to be given in this fashion, that the second atom is going to be lying of the basis is going to be lying at a distance of 1 by 1/4, that is quarter of the whatever be the body diagonal is to be there. Diagonal is to be whatever the body diagonal is to be there. At that stage this second atom is at a distance of quarter 1 by 4 of whatever be the from the lattice point is to be there. From this lattice points, the whatever be the atom second atom carbon atom is going to be lying at a distance of 1 by 4 of, or the quarter of the whatever be the total length of the edge is to be there. So this occupies the mostly alternate tetrahedral positions are to be there in the FCC. If you look at this is what the FCC structure I already shown you here. In this case, the position of the another second carbon atom is somehow occupying, that is nothing but to be alternate tetrahedral positions it is covering the second atom, and that's why this is to be as an becoming to be as an such type of the diamond type of diamond cubic structure is to be there. Now in this case this combination is somehow roughly again to be explained in another way also, that in addition to this not only this much part, but the diamond cubic structure is also the simply we can say that it is how it is to be giving you the away from the whatever be the your FCC is to be there. As far as FCC packing fraction is to be there, we are aware about that it is 0.74, but due to the basis where it is going to be added in the FCC, this packing for the FCC we are aware about that that is 0.74, which is becoming to be losing its FCC's packing fraction is to be there. And as the FCC is having 0.74, and due to the addition of this another carbon atom, this packing is becoming to be as an basically 0.34 is to be there. And that's what this diamond cubic structure due to this another atom of the your basis, this FCC's packing fraction is somehow losing to or becoming to be 0.34 is to be there. As far as the coordination number is to be there, it is having the 4 atoms are to be, it is one atom is going to be surrounded with the 4, and that's why the coordination number is becoming to be as n 4. As far as atomic distances or the from the of the distances of the carbon atoms are to be there, it is under root of 3a by 4 is to be there. So in this diagram also, if you look at this simply clearly mentioned here, the C that is to be as an hollow 0 is to be written as a carbon atom occupying FCC position. I already shown you the how it is to be works to be as an FCC at the face center of the each side of the your cube is to be there. And another this dark carbon atom is nothing but to be occupying the tetrahedral side, that is for the diagonal it is quarter of the position, that is gives you the position for the tetrahedral position in this case. So this is how the structure is going to form as far as the DC or the diamond cubic structure is to be there. It is in a plain way, it is also can be explained in a very simple way how the positions of the atoms are going to be there. If you look at in this case here it is in the plane diagram, it is very simple to understand it. If you look at these are the nothing but the corners are to be there, and it is to be as an basically the view is nothing but to be that is the two FCC's parts are to be as an it is somehow giving you the positions of the interpenetration of the two FCCs are to be there. Now if you look at here, it is to be for the origin and the what is the difference different for the positions are to be given. As far as the wherever the one number in the circle is to be there, it representing only one atom is there. But wherever the two numbers are there, that indicating that there are overlapping of the basis atom is to be there, and that lattice point plus the basis atom is to be there. And that is how this overlapping is nothing but to be giving you the two numbers are there. And that is what the two number is in one circle is nothing but to be the same position of the carbon atom is to be there. As far as it is to be interpenetration of the your two FCC sublattices are there, the 000 and the 1 by 4 1 by 4 are the positions for the your origins are the whatever be the lattice points are to be there. So if you look at there, it is what the positions for the your atoms, two atoms 0 1 0 1 0 1 is to be there. That showing you that basically having the two atoms overlapping is to be there, or the position at the center is to be there. If you look at this is what the half part, and this is what again for the this for this line it is half part, for this line it is to be the half one, and for this line it is to be the half one, for this it is to be half one. So in the diagonal it is to be as in like this diagonal is to be there. And if you look at this is what the here the it is 0 1 at the center point is to be there. As the diagonal part is to be there, it is quarter of that part is nothing but to be this this and this is to be there. So this is how the another tetrahedral position made by the carbon atoms are to be the changing in this structure is going to be formed. As far as the examples for the such type of the such type of the diamond structure is diamond cubic structure is to be there. It is silica germanium silica gallium arsenide is also to be there, and gray tin is also the part is to be also in this type of the structure comes. In simple way, silica is to be the well-known example for the such type of the your DC structures are to be similar in these fashions are to be there. So this is what the positions for the basically as far as your the diamond structure is going to be there. So thank you very much for the listening, and be at home and be safe. Thank you.